it's red. My mom left the house to get groceries and I'm scared. I've been alone for almost an hour. I'm only 6. What kind of mother does that? I'm hungry. I hate vegetables. Why can't it speak Spanish? Muchacho. Maybe I'll go outside. Sunshine! This is a durable minivan. It only breaks down once a month. I'm scared of people, especially girls.